if you run a business on WhatsApp, have you ever spent hours replying to messages only to realize that you still missed an important customer or lead? Maybe you tried juggling DMs whilst running your business and it just feels impossible to keep up. I used to be in the same boat until I discovered something that completely changed how I handle my business on WhatsApp. This is Dealism, an AI WhatsApp assistant that actually learns how you talk. It doesn't send robotic replies or copy and paste templates. It's like having another version of you handling chats all day, every day, so you don't miss out on a lead or a potential customer. The first step is giving Dealism all your old chats and business documents. This helps it understand your style, your tone, and the way you normally respond to leads or business messages on your WhatsApp. That is why replies feels natural, like it's coming from you after Dealism takes control of your WhatsApp messages. After collecting knowledge and uploading your documents to Dealism, the next step is that it will assign a task, for example, answering incoming WhatsApp leads or following up with potential customers. Dealism breaks down the tasks and knows exactly what to do in different scenarios. The next one is task breakdown. Dealism splits the task into smaller steps so it's ready for anything. Simple questions, detailed requests, and full sales conversation. It's smart enough to handle all messages without losing context. Before going live, I test Dealism with sample chats. If a reply isn't perfect, I fix it and immediately learns from the corrections. Every test makes it smarter and more accurate. When everything is ready, I deploy it live on WhatsApp using the Chrome extension. Now every lead gets a fast personal reply even if I'm busy, offline, or asleep. Right here on this page, these are some use cases that we can use to test Dealism. And I am going to select this one. This is going to recommend products and drive commission. This is for a product, a skincare product, and you can see that Dealism is chatting here and replying to a customer here and trying to recommend a product. Enough with that. Now let's set a conversation task. Right here, I'm going to tell Dealism that I would like to recommend the best AI tools for my customers for a brand, Else Hustle. That is my brand, which deals with teaching people how to use AI tools effectively. I'm going to click on enter, and right here, it's going to confirm my brand name, that is it Else Hustle or L Jones. Now I am then going to type in yes, and it says thank you for confirming the brand change to Else Hustle. Now I will type in I want to send customers my affiliate link. Okay, so it asks me a question. Just read through and you understand what it needs from you. So I sent it a message that I want to assign or send affiliate links. Now it's going to assign a task right here and break the task into different sections. Now it's going to learn knowledge and skill about your brand or your business. Now you can add the knowledge right here, or you can add screenshots of your previous chats. In this case, I'll leave it blank. I'll just show you a part where I have uploaded my knowledge about my business. Okay, so you can add the knowledge right here, which helps Dealism AI analyze your conversations and reply to messages effectively or know about your business. You can see once you click on add, I've added a knowledge base here that you can, it's just something about your business that you can upload there at the knowledge section. You can click on continue right here, and then yes, like I said, you can also upload your chat screenshots that you've had of people, and the AI tool is going to analyze the chat so that it can reply the messages well. Okay, you can click on continue right here, and here we are going to live test the AI agent that we just built. All right, so this is Dealism, and this is going to be a conversation between the Dealism AI and a customer. All right, so what kind of AI tools do you offer? So this is the customer's reply, and you see Dealism has taken over the conversation, so he's going to type and reply you. All right, so we have AI tools for writing, images, video creation, and marketing. The AI tool at Dealism is going to reply the messages according to the knowledge you give it, or what you tell it, or the task you give it. If you don't like any reply, you can then fix it here by clicking the pen icon or clicking the remake icon to help Dealism learn more. Now I'm going to type in looking for AI skills and data analysis work. It's answering the questions based on what you tell it or the knowledge you give it. Okay, so when you go to knowledge, you can see here that if you want to add knowledge about your brand or business, you can then click on add and then select the knowledge you want to be uploaded. You can add between question and answers, products, and then cases. So you upload the one that best suits your agent that you are trying to build for your WhatsApp business. Okay, this is a live test of Dealism AI at work. We can go to dashboard right here, and it's going to assign the messages that it has replied there. Okay, these are the steps that you go through to set up your agent to reply messages on WhatsApp with Dealism. So the last step is to install the Chrome extension and we deploy it on WhatsApp. Okay, to set the agent ready, we need to click here. You can see the option that says ready, and you need to turn it on to bring the agent to life. Okay, so I'm going to click on got it right here. This thing, you need to turn it on so that the agent will be on so that it can reply to messages. We need to download the Chrome extension as well, and here you would normally see get. I've already installed it, so that is why you are seeing remove right here. I'm then going to click on the Dealism icon here, and you can see it pop up at the right side of the screen. I'm then going to start a conversation with myself. I'm going to type in hello. Now Dealism will reply to the message right here. I am testing with my other phone number. I have two phone numbers right here. So I typed in hello and Dealism is replying. We are testing the two live. Okay, so he says, hey, I help people supercharge their work with AI. What are you working on? See, Dealism has replied. The task I gave it was to assign the best AI tools to my customers. So I want to click on send, and it says I replied I want AI tools on text to speech. Dealism is then going to analyze the conversation and scan through my previous conversations to see if I recommended AI tools to some people or text to speech AI tools to a customer. Now it's going to type it in. If it doesn't understand anything, it's going to ask me a question here. Awesome. What kind of content are you creating with? You see, with it, Dealism knows how to reply messages like you. Okay, that is how I normally reply my messages to people. Before Dealism, keeping up with WhatsApp messages was exhausting. Missed one reply and a sale could disappear. Now I have peace of mind knowing that every single lead or customer I get on my WhatsApp business gets taken care of 24/7 by Dealism. I tested it myself and the replies felt completely natural. If you run an online store, sell courses or offer services, this will save you hours every single week and make your business feel more organized and professional. This is the best part. Dealism is still in beta. By trying it now, you are not just using it. You are helping shape the product. Stop losing WhatsApp leads or potential customers. I'll leave a link in the description. You have to try this out to save countless amount of time replying to WhatsApp DMs and business messages.